In this video, we're going over how to set up your Facebook Business Manager in 3 simple steps, and how you can use it to easily manage your ad accounts, business pages, and team member roles. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn 3 tips on how to make a successful ad. Hola amigo, I'm Daniel Mejia from Amigos Media, where we help you modernize your ancient marketing with the power of social media. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, and all links mentioned in the video will be linked down below. Let's jump right in. Facebook Business Manager is one of the most consistent and reliable platforms online to either run and track ads, manage assets such as your pages and ad accounts, or add a partner to help you manage your business online. Now let's go over the 3 simple steps you can follow to start working on that business account you've always wanted in 2020. Okay, so before we start step 1, if you haven't already set up a Facebook account, a personal one, you're going to want to pause this video and go set that up before. Once you're ready, head over to business.facebook.com. I'll leave the link down below and click Create Account. Once you do that, you'll see 2 pop-up questionnaires. The first one asking for your name, your business name, and your business email. And the second one asking you for more of your business details, such as your physical address and your website. So go ahead and fill those out, and once you're done, we'll move on to step 2. Okay, step 2 is where you add your assets, meaning your pages, ad accounts, or team members. And now that you're logged in, head over to Business Settings from your home page or from clicking Business Settings right over here. Alrighty. Here you'll notice several tabs with drop-down menus, and under Accounts is where you'll find your pages, ad accounts, and Instagram accounts. Let's start off by clicking Pages. You'll notice right away that there isn't any pages yet, so go ahead and click Add Page. Here you have 3 options: add a page, request access, or create a new one. Adding a page and requesting access is the same process. Just click on it, copy and paste either the page name or the URL, and press Add Page. Now, after you've done that, the admin of the page will receive a notification on their personal account saying, "This business manager wants access to your page." So by approving the request, you can now access the page from your business manager. If you haven't already created a page, then you can go ahead and click Create Page here. Just a reminder, I already made a video explaining step-by-step how to create a Facebook page, and you can find the link down below. Now let's move on to ad accounts. I've already created one, but the process is the same as with the pages for both adding or requesting an ad account. Click over here, Add. These options will obviously be available to you. Request. Now you can either add the page that the ad account is connected to, or the ad account ID, where you can find right here. Just copy and paste both of that and click Submit. Now, if this is your first time making an ad account, obviously click Create a new ad account. After doing that, it's going to ask you to type in your business name. It's going to ask you to choose the appropriate time zone, and along with that, the appropriate currency. Remember, after this, you can't change it again, so make sure you get it right the first time. For step 3, it demonstrates how to add a partner and assign them a role. To do this, click People under Users and select Add. Now, the email address that you input here has to be linked to the person's Facebook account. So I'm just going to put in a random one. Here you can select the asset type, either pages or ad accounts. Here you can choose which page or ad account you want to add them to. And here you you set their permissions, either giving them full admin or owner access, capable of changing and controlling everything, or limiting their access with standard access. And then to invite, just click invite. Now I'm not going to do that, I'm just going to X out. So after that, your last thing you have to do is add a billing info. So down here it says payment. Click on that and then click on add payment method. Then put in your card information. And that's it. Those are the 3 steps to setting up your Facebook Business Manager account. Now that we finished going over the 3 steps to set up your Facebook Business Manager, here are the 3 tips for a successful ad. Tip 1 is don't start running conversion ads right after you made an ad account. No one will be interested until they know and trust your business. Plus, Facebook will penalize you for the negative feedback your ad gets and raise your ad price, which is no bueno. Tip 2 is build a relationship through your ads. You want to share your knowledge, gratitude, and your face to humanize the brand. People buy from other people, so just remember that. And tip 3, make the ads look like a regular social post from a friend. No one likes to feel like they're being sold something without their permission, so this is the perfect way to avoid that. And now, if you made it this far, feel free to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment, or join our Amigos Mastermind Facebook group to interact with me and other like-minded business owners. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being our amigo.